5 years from now, a lot of businesses that exist today simply won't exist anymore. Not because people stop buying products or services, not because the economy collapsed, but because they moved too slowly. Right now, there are solo entrepreneurs using AI systems that outperform entire companies with 20 or more employees. And most businesses still have no idea what's coming, which is quite worrying because if you don't adapt quick enough, you will get left behind, which has happened throughout history when you're talking about different revolutions that has happened in the past. Quick disclaimer before we go any further, this video is for education and informational purposes only, and it should not be considered business, financial, or investment advice. You have to remember this. And you have to remember these are simply my opinions, observations based on where technology and entrepreneurship is heading. And honestly, I think one of the biggest reasons businesses are about to get disrupted is because of platforms like Skywork AI. Not because it's another AI tool, but because it completely changes how work gets done in a new way, more efficient, faster, and more affordable. This isn't just about helping you write emails or generate captions. It's acting like an entire autonomous cloud workforce, which is truly incredible. I'm talking about research slides, reports, videos, websites, data analysis, all happening in one system. And the scary part is the following: small businesses now suddenly have capabilities that used to require entire departments, which is really scary if you're a larger business, I guess. But if you are a smaller business and you get to use Skywork in the right manner, this is a massive opportunity for you from my perspective. But take a step further and look at a lot of businesses nowadays. Most businesses today are still operating like it's 2018. Huge teams, too many meetings, slow execution, manual workflows, 5 different software subscriptions just to complete one project is ludicrous. And meanwhile, lean AI-powered businesses are moving at insane speed. The companies winning right now aren't necessarily the smartest, they are just moving faster thanks to AI. That's the shift most people still don't understand. The future belongs to the businesses that can do the following: execute faster, automate faster, create content faster, analyze data faster, adapt faster. And this is where things get dangerous because AI is compressing the gap between small companies to massive companies, which I think is a healthy shift, and a shift that we have never seen in history from my perspective. One founder with the right system can suddenly compete with teams 10 times its size. Think about this. A few years ago, if you wanted market research, branded presentation, for instance, social content, business analysis, website design, video production, you needed the following: freelancers, agencies, huge contracts, analysts, designers, editors. Now you don't need none of that. You can literally brief an AI workforce to do it in the background with just a few prompts. Much more quicker, much more efficient, and much more affordable. That's what caught my attention with Skywork, in all honesty. It's not built around here's one little AI feature. It's built around give me the objective and let the system orchestrate everything for you. This is exactly the way I like to operate all my businesses. That's a completely different mindset altogether. And I think it's a healthy mindset if you can adapt it correctly within your business. So I'm going to run a quick example right now. I'm going to type in create a UK market launch strategy for a fitness brand targeting Gen Z in the prompt. Let's see what happens. As you can see, Skyworks begins generating research documents, slide decks, branding visuals, spreadsheet, market strategy, website concepts. Additionally, it's compressing video assets as well. This is exactly how an analyst team, production team, a marketing team, a sales team would all work at once. But instead, we're using one prompt with one tool, and that's Skywork. Let me show you what I mean by this. Imagine you're launching a business. Normally, you would spend days researching, as you probably know if you run a business, hours designing slides, hours organizing spreadsheets, hours briefing freelancers. Instead, I gave Skywork one command, and then I literally walked away. And that's the crazy bit. It managed to execute everything within minutes. See, the thing I like about Skyworks is that it runs like a cloud-based AI workforce, not just one chatbot waiting for prompts. It keeps executing tasks in the background, which is something I truly find incredible. And this is where it becomes powerful. While one AI system is researching, another is building slides, another is generating visuals, another one is analyzing data, another one is preparing reports, all simultaneously together. That multi-threaded workflow is what most AI tools still can't do properly from my experience. And here we have it. Look at the output quality that's popping up on my screen right now. These aren't random low quality AI results. The documents are deeply researched. The presentation actually looks good, professional, and on point, and designed with the right branding, which I found really incredible. The visuals are polished, the charts are clean, and what's interesting here, Skywork lets you access different flagship AI models depending on the task you want to do. So instead of being trapped inside one black box AI ecosystem, you're essentially building your own all-star AI team. That's a massive advantage for you as a business owner and entrepreneur. Now, this is why I keep saying this. Most businesses are underestimating what's happening right now. AI is reducing the importance of company size, office space, employee count, and increasing the importance of the following: speed, systems, adaptability, distribution, execution, which is a word I truly love, execution, because I think that's the most important thing with anything when it comes to running a business. The entrepreneur with better AI systems may outperform the entrepreneur with more staff. That's the new game. And I think we're moving into a world where the most valuable businesses won't necessarily be the biggest, they'll be the most automated businesses. In the next 10 years, I predict that the most valuable businesses are indeed going to be the ones that have automated systems in the best manner. Here's one of the craziest features with Skywork, and it's the scheduled automation. You can literally tell it every Friday, generate my weekly performance report, or analyze this month's content performance, or build a competitor analysis every Monday morning, and it just runs automatically. That changes everything because now your business can keep moving even when you're not actively working, which is a massive advantage. That's not just AI assistance anymore, that's operational leverage. And businesses that fail to understand leverage usually disappear over time. So if you are serious about being a business that don't disappear over time, I think it's really important to hone in on the idea of automating your business as much as possible. And here's the interesting thing right now, which I think this is a bigger opportunity than most business owners can fathom. Most people still think AI is about writing captions, generating memes, asking random questions. Meanwhile, smart entrepreneurs are building entire systems around it. That's the real divide happening right now. And you better be on the right side of this divide. I think the battle is moving away from not AI versus non-AI to people using AI casually versus people using AI strategically. And that gap is going to become enormous over the next few years. So again, make sure you're on the right side of that divide. Look, I genuinely think we're entering one of the biggest shifts in entrepreneurship we've ever seen from my perspective. The businesses that survive over the next 5 years won't necessarily be the ones with the biggest offices, the most employees, the most funding. They'll be the businesses that adapt AI the fastest and learn how to execute more efficiently and more affordably to look after the bottom line. And tools like Skywork are speeding that shift massively. I used to juggle multiple apps just to finish one product. Now one system can handle research, slides, visuals, reports, videos, websites, all inside one workflow. That's a serious competitive advantage and a serious competitive edge. So if you want to check out Skywork for yourself today, hit the top link in my description as always and use code YOMA for 20% off the annual plan if you're interested in getting going with this today. And let me know in the comments, do you think AI will replace more businesses or create more opportunities? And if you enjoyed this video, as always, make sure you like, subscribe, and tap notifications so that you don't miss any more videos. But it's time for me to round up this video, and I'll see you on the next video where we are, of course, going to be talking about more business, finance, and entrepreneurship.